Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in. You are tuning into my 2851st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar, and thank you so much for tuning in. Before we get started for trading on Tuesday, Jan 14th, please remember that trading is risky. We started trading in the first week of January. We had winning trade. Well, on Monday, we had a losing trade. We got long gold. It went down and stopped us out. I've been doing this 43 years. It still happens to me. My OMNIX got stopped out with me, so please remember, put your stops in, never trade without them, and put them in before you begin trading. So, you're looking at the NASDAQ Daily Bar for trading on 1/14, Jan 14th, 2025. It's a Tuesday. The OMNI stops short selling and goes neutral. It said, Oscar, that's it. Give it a day, no more selling. I've gone neutral. So I have to back off for a day and see what it wants to do. So I always shop to see what OMNI might be looking at. And I looked at this and said, well, maybe this is it. Look at this average. It's monster average wherever it gets involved in the market. Here, big drop once it gets under. Here, big rally once it gets above. It holds, gets close, holds, gets close, holds. Boom, here we are now. Should be a turnaround day because that's what happens at this average. So OMNI went neutral. I'm not buying it because I'm not allowed to. It's a neutral OMNI. Maybe an Oscarism could pop up, we'll see. But the OMNI's neutral, and I believe we are looking at a possible turnaround day in NASDAQ, OMNI, S&P, and or Russell 2000. I wanted to show that to you. I was going to actually wait for my videographer and get out in front of the camera and do a nice long video, but then I seen we're changing direction, or at least we've gone neutral, which means the market might be changing direction, and I wanted to get this out to you right away, get the information out while it's fresh. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you as always for coming to livewithoscar.com. Please join my live free trading room. It's so simple. This is it sitting right here. You can always join. Just go to livewithoscar.com and you can be in that live trading room in a snap. No credit cards are even required. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. And remember, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Thank you so much. Join me at livewithoscar.com in my free live trading room, and we'll get through these rough and tumble markets together. Have a great day trading on Tuesday.